You're not going to believe what happened to me last week. For 3 nights in a row, I kept hearing this weird tapping sound coming from inside my bedroom wall. Tap, tap, tap. At first, I was totally freaked out. Was my apartment haunted? Maybe it was a ghost trying to send a message. Then I thought, okay, it's probably just a rat. Which, honestly, is almost as bad. So, after the third night of no sleep, I decided I had to investigate. I grabbed a utility knife and very carefully cut a tiny little inspection hole in the drywall, bracing myself for whatever horror was on the other side. And what comes popping out? The biggest, angriest looking squirrel I have ever seen in my life. We just stared at each other for a second, totally frozen. Then, this little thief scampers over to my nightstand, grabs a granola bar I had sitting there, and crawls right back into the wall. I just patched the hole up. The tapping stopped. I guess he just wanted snacks. Thanks for watching.